Hey everyone! Welcome back to Space Secrets. Have you ever wondered what black holes really are? They're not just science fiction. They are real, and some are so big, they sit in the center of entire galaxies. Today, we'll explain how black holes are formed and what's actually inside them. How black holes are formed. Let's start with how they're made. Every star, including our sun, has a life cycle. But when a very massive star, much bigger than the sun, runs out of fuel, it begins to die. It can no longer hold up its own weight, and then it collapses. The outer layers of the star explode in a supernova, and the core shrinks into a very tiny, very dense point. This becomes a black hole. Its gravity is so strong, even light can't escape it. That's why it looks black. There are also other types of black holes. Supermassive black holes form when many stars or smaller black holes combine, and they live at the center of galaxies. Some scientists think tiny black holes called primordial black holes could have formed just after the Big Bang, but they haven't been found yet. How do we know they exist? We can't see black holes directly, but we can see what they do. For example, stars spin strangely when a black hole is nearby. Gas falling into a black hole heats up and glows. And when two black holes crash, they create gravitational waves, ripples in space and time, which we can detect on Earth. So, what's actually inside a black hole? Let's break it down. First, event horizon. This is the outer edge of a black hole, the point of no return. Once something crosses it, even light, it can never come out. Second, singularity. At the center is the singularity, a tiny point with infinite gravity. All the matter gets crushed into this point. Scientists don't fully understand it yet. Not even Einstein could explain it. Third, accretion disk. This is the bright, spinning disk around some black holes. As matter gets pulled in, it heats up and glows. This is often what we can see from far away. Fourth, jets in some black holes. Some black holes shoot out huge jets of energy and particles, faster than anything else in the universe except light. We still don't fully know how or why, but it's incredible. What if you fell in? If you fell into a black hole, you'd go through something called spaghettification. Yes, that's a real science word. Your body would stretch and stretch as you get closer to the center, like spaghetti, because gravity is stronger at your feet than your head. Time would also slow down for you, according to Einstein's theory of relativity. From outside, it would look like you're frozen at the event horizon. But from your point of view, you're falling in, with no way back. Some scientists even wonder, could black holes lead to other dimensions or time travel? We don't know yet, but black holes could hold some of the universe's biggest secrets. Thanks for watching.